To have some fun with smoked cocktails, we're actually doing a smoke shot. We call this one the Murder Hornet. And what it is, it's honey whiskey and then Fireball, equal parts. Super easy shot, anybody can do it. Again, that smoke flavor really bodes well with the honey and the Fireball, the cinnamon from the Fireball. We're doing equal pours, and I'm doing 3 shots on this. And then quickly just gonna give this a chill. Strain those off into our shot glasses. Trying to ignite that wood. I'm gonna get that wood really nice and hot, because if I do, I get a better smoke out of it. Put the dome over it, chokes out that flame, and that's where we get that really good smoke. So it's been about 45 seconds. That smoke has really gotten into the drink. It's onto the glasses. And again, it's all about that smell. When you go to smell that shot and take the shot, that hickory smoke blends well with the honey whiskey and the cinnamon from the Fireball. Great shot. That's our Murder Hornet.